In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a form to update an existing record in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, guided form that lets teammates safely modify the right fields without digging through the full base. Start by opening Airtable in your browser and signing in. From your workspace, open the app that contains the data you want to keep up to date. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct place. The form you're about to build will be tied to this app and its tables, so picking the right one now prevents headaches later. Inside the app, head to the Forms area. This is where you can create streamlined experiences for people to interact with your data. Look for the option to create something new, then choose Form. Airtable will ask which table this form should connect to. Pick the specific table that holds the records you want updated, for example, projects, customers, or inventory. Choosing the correct table here is crucial because it determines which fields will be available for editing and where the form writes changes. Give your form a clear descriptive name so collaborators instantly understand its purpose, like update project details or edit customer profile. Then create the form to enter the builder. At the top, you can add a cover image to set context and polish. A simple banner that matches your team's branding or references the process can make the page feel more trustworthy and easier to recognize. Now, make your edits. Arrange only the fields you actually want people to change, and hide anything that should remain read only. Add helpful descriptions to explain what belongs in each field, set required fields when missing data would cause problems, and apply validation rules to maintain data quality. Because our goal is to update existing records, configure the form so it edits records rather than creates new ones. Ensure the submission behavior is set to update an existing record in the chosen table, and provide clear guidance in the form description about which record is being updated so users know they're editing the right thing. Keep the experience simple, concise labels, logical field order, and just enough context to avoid mistakes. When everything looks right, publish the form. Publishing makes your latest changes live and locks in the configuration you just set. Before sharing it with your team, quickly scan the fields again to confirm only the intended ones are editable and that the form clearly indicates it's updating existing records. That's it, you've built a reliable Airtable form for maintaining accurate, current data.